first column of windows has the Clearview Ceramic 35 installed. You can look at the drop cloth and you can see the difference in the shadow effect right there. But we do still see clearly into this place. You can still see the cornhole games in the back over there. And when I move over here, you see it a little bit better, but it's basically the same thing. Ceramic 35, clear glass. Both a spectacular view, but the Ceramic 35 just has this really nice, rich, pretty tone to it. It's a little bit easier on the eyes. There's not quite as much glare and glint off of the white concrete and the other things out there that are really bright, which means that you'll be able to see across this field very clearly as if it was still clear glass. That's why they call it Clearview Ceramic. And pretty much all of these windows are done too, except for one right in the middle, and I wanted to leave that open so you can see how great the visibility is. And this is the untinted window versus the tinted window. So this is a great film that allows a lot of light transparency, but blocks 83% of the infrared heat, and that is a really good amount.